Welcome to 20 Essential Travel Tips, your ultimate guide to a smooth and enjoyable journey. Pack light. Only bring essentials and use a checklist to avoid overpacking. Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. A carry-on can save time and baggage fees. Check passport and visa. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Research visa requirements well in advance and apply early if needed. Back up important documents. Keep digital copies of your passport, Idaho, travel insurance, and itinerary in cloud storage or email. Carry a printed copy as a backup in case of lost or stolen documents. Get travel insurance. Protect yourself from medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage. Oh, and make sure your policy covers adventure activities if you plan to do any. Know local emergency numbers? Save the local police, ambulance, and fire department numbers on your phone. Also, note the contact details of your country's embassy or consulate. Notify your bank. Inform your bank of your travel plans to prevent fraud alerts blocking your card, and have a backup credit or debit card in case of issues. Download offline maps. Google Maps allows you to save maps for offline use. This is helpful when you don't have data or Wi-Fi, especially in remote areas. Learn basic local phrases. Knowing key phrases like hello, thank you, and where's the restroom can enhance your experience and show respect to locals. Carry local currency. Some small businesses and markets may not accept credit cards. Always have some cash for taxis, tips, and emergencies. Stay hydrated. Travel can be exhausting, especially in hot or dry climates. Carry a reusable water bottle and be mindful of safe drinking water sources. Dress for the weather. Check the forecast before packing. Layers work best for fluctuating temperatures, and a lightweight rain jacket can be a lifesaver. Secure your belongings. Use an anti-theft backpack or money belt to protect your valuables. Be cautious in crowded places to avoid pickpockets. Plan transportation. Research how you'll get from the airport to your accommodation. Know the best local transport options, whether it's public transit, ride shares, or rental cars. Be flexible. Delays and unexpected changes happen. Having a backup plan and a relaxed mindset can make your trip more enjoyable. Try local food. Exploring local cuisine is a great way to experience a new culture. Ask locals for recommendations and be open to trying new flavors. Respect local customs. Research cultural norms regarding dress codes, tipping, and etiquette. Being respectful will make your interactions smoother and, more enjoyable. Have a backup charging option. A portable charger ensures your phone stays powered for maps, tickets, and emergency calls. Bring a universal adapter if traveling internationally. Use a VPN. Protect your sensitive data when using public Wi-Fi in airports, hotels, or cafes. A VPN secures your browsing and keeps your information private. Check time zones. If traveling across different time zones, adjust your schedule accordingly to minimize jet lag. Setting your watch to the destination time during the flight can help. Enjoy the moment. While capturing memories is great, don't spend all your time behind a screen. Be present, take in the sights, and enjoy your journey fully.